from the chest. All right, guys, I'm gonna be showing you a little secret tip, just a tip Tuesday. Tip Tuesday, just a tip Tuesday. I got this bracket here that I'm making. I'm actually making a C-channel bracket, and it's 1/4 inch thick. I don't have anything to bend this. So what we're gonna actually do is actually gonna make a couple little notches in here, and we're gonna use my little 3-in-1 to break it and make a bend. So I'll show you how we do it. So I'm using the bandsaw. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this, but I'm gonna put a cut in it. I'm not gonna actually cut all the way through. I'm just gonna cut about halfway. That way it will give me a nice and easy way to bend, and then we'll be able to weld that up. You can see I didn't go all the way through. I just notched it a little bit. Now you can use a angle grinder or any kind of tool to make your cuts. Doesn't necessarily need to be the bandsaw. Always like to round my corners. Just makes it a nice, just gives it a nice finish. Here we have a very simple 3-in-1. This is a Harbor Freight unit. As you can see, I've put it through the test. I've tried to shear a lot of heavy gauge metal, and we did a lot of repairs on it, but we since then have upgraded to a lot better unit that we can show you in the future. But for now, this works really great to just bend up some small stuff. So remember, you're going to be actually bending on the opposite side, so make sure that you have your correct marks. And voila, a nice little break. And go ahead and fill that weld in, and we'll have what we need. Sort of. I'll show you what I mean in a minute. So since this is a little limited, we'll just have to hand finish the rest. There you have it. Nice little C-channel. Makes it a little easier than trying to cut it and weld it and kind of fit it. So go ahead and fill that weld in and get at it. There you have it. Nice little C-channel piece, fabbed up. No press brake required. This particular piece is a sway bar bracket that we're going to be using here. Just replacing that. We're going to make some end links and stuff. So hope you enjoyed Pro Tip Tuesday.